Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 DRV Mobile Suites. The model number is a 40 KSSB4. As you can see already, we got full body paint on this rig. It's a really luxurious rig we got going here. On the bottom here, you'll see that there's going to be a place where the generator will live. And then on the side of that is where your batteries will live. It's got the Morite suspension right on there. That's got a little slide out. We'll take a look in the bedroom and see how that slide out looks. But before we do that, check out this storage. I mean, ample storage everywhere. You can put anything you want in there for long camping trips or, you know, just for a weekend. You can totally do that. Okay, we got our solid steps here with our ladder, our stable hand extension. Coming on into the rig. I'll let you come on this side. First thing you got as soon as you walk in the rig, you got your controls. Easy to access, and you even got some coat hangers in there as well as that DRV clock. Thank you, DRV, for doing that. Appreciate it. Right here behind me, you got a full residential fridge. Yeah, it's like the one you'll see in your home. Okay, it's an Insignia one, so there's storage on the top there. Then going in, you see the kitchen, right? In this model, the sink is actually separate from the island, which is kind of nice. It's a little different. I like how they did it different. Solid surface countertops, and then these are actually removable too. It's a double sink you got there, as well as just the handle with the faucet. Like I said, for this, I mean, there's just storage everywhere upon here. You can really just put it everywhere and everywhere. You got a 4-burner stove cooktop. With the Insignia oven. Yes, it is approved for a turkey to put in there. It's that size. Really big, luxurious. You also got our microwave and convection oven on the top. And you even have, take a look right here, you got the dishwasher here that is not going to be open because my bad. But yeah, it's got a dishwasher and plenty of storage on the bottom. Also, like on the below, you got accent lighting everywhere. So you never feel like you're in the dark. Like I said, just more storage with adjustable shelving you got here. Super nice. You can make it your own and make this basically your home. You can even put a Keurig right here or a toaster, anything you'd like. And there is a plug-in in there as well, so you can just keep it right in there. Storage on storage everywhere. Now we're in the living room here. You can see we got the big screen TV. That's looking really nice, as well as the fireplace and that sound bar right there, so it'll give you high quality sound. Where you can put also your items or entertainment items right here on the top. You can put your DVD rack up there, anything of that sort, or if you just want more storage, you can. Right here we got the couch and the reclining chairs with the 2 complimentary pillows. Really nice. You also can see here that there's a lot of windows, so it gives you this illusion that you're really just kind of outside while you're inside, if you know what that means, you know. But anyways, this converts into a sleeping space, and that's just a really nice, it's even got heated seats in here, and you can keep those things cool as well. Storage on the top here with accent lighting literally everywhere, so you're never going to feel like you're in the dark. More storage. You can even put a coffee pot right there. That'd be nice too. Got your dinette here. It's only got 2 chairs right now, but if you extend it out, it does give you space for 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So, and you got electric outlets right there, as well as some USB ports. So the kids will love that spot, and including you. I also forgot to mention, on these, you also have some dimmers. So if you can see up at the top there, you can dim the lights or just put them as bright as you want and stuff like that. Let's go into the bedroom area. Before we go into the bedroom area, you can see in here, got some closet space before you get into your bedroom. That's also a place where you can store a washer and dryer. Just quite nice. And then before we go into the bedroom, let's take a look at that bathroom. Here, I'll hold the door open. Really beautiful, consistent, solid surface countertops, nice walk-in shower, and storage. Really, it's just super beautiful in here. All right, let's go to where the magic happens in here. We got our bedroom here. That's on the slide out over there, and as well as this one. You can see it's a king size bed. You got dimmers on the sides, on both sides here. Yeah, it just does one light. Then you got electric outlets for whatever you need. Then if you turn to the right here, there's just nice space for storage. And also if you just want to put stuff on your dresser, you can do that too. It's also got the Connect's 32-inch TV there for your entertainment enjoyment. Stream Netflix or Hulu, whichever you'd like. It's even got a DVD player right there, included. And then you also have this part of the rig, which is the closet. So actually a nice space in here. Got ample storage. Sorry, I'm just all up in your face here. Let's see if this rolls up. And then even beneath the bed, we got some storage here. Look at all that space. Whew, nice, nice. Guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to go ahead and give me a call. We can show you this rig or take a look at any other rigs in our inventory. My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794, and we'll look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.